In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or reset your Bank of America card PIN. Whether you prefer using online banking, the mobile app, or a secure web page, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident. First, sign into Bank of America online banking on your computer. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone, or use the bank's global card access page if that's what you have set up. Have your card handy before you begin because you'll need a few details from it. Once you're logged in, look for the Quick Actions section. There, choose Change Your PIN. The exact wording and placement can vary slightly by device or app version, but it's typically easy to spot on the main card management screen. Next, you'll be asked to verify your card using the security code printed on the card. This is the 3 or 4-digit code used to confirm that you have the physical card in hand. Enter it carefully. This is a standard security step to protect your account. If your device supports it, you may also see prompts for additional verification, like a one-time passcode, depending on your security settings. Now you're ready to set your new PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that's memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like your birth year, repeating digits, or anything that could be easily associated with you. Pick something you can remember without writing it down. If you ever feel unsure, take a moment, think of a number pattern that's meaningful only to you, and enter it with care. Confirm the new PIN when prompted, and you're done. If you prefer not to use online tools, or you can't access your account right now, you can reset your PIN by calling the number on the back of your credit card. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative, and they'll guide you through the same process securely. The best part is that your new PIN is active immediately. You can use it right away at ATMs and at chip and PIN terminals. Some stores may still run your card as credit and ask for a signature, which is normal, so don't worry if you aren't prompted for your PIN everywhere. If a terminal doesn't recognize your new PIN on the first attempt, give it another try or use an ATM to confirm. When you're finished, simply close the app or sign out of online banking. That's all there is to it. You've updated your PIN safely and can use it right away.